welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today we are doing a lip product video and I'm pretty excited because it's been a minute since I tried some lip products out, and it's actually been an even longer time since I've done a lip try on with the brand Fenty Beauty. So I'm really excited about that. I don't think I've done one of these in years when it comes to Fenty Beauty. So I'm excited to have a couple of the lip products here. Today we're going to be trying out the Gloss Bomb Sticks. So they're fairly new. I don't know how new they are. When I checked on Sephora last time, a lot of them are sold out. So hopefully that's a good sign. Hopefully that means that these are gonna be really good. I actually purchased mine from Ulta. Before we get into the try on, I want to chat a little bit about the product, as I always do. So it says what it is. It's a glossy medium pigment lipstick with luscious shine and a big dose of vitamin E. That means it's supposed to moisturize your lip. If you know, you know. Vitamin E is that girl. And then it says, and shea butter to lock in moisture for up to 8 hours. It's actually categorized as a lipstick slash lip gloss, which I think is kind of weird because, like, what does that mean, boo? Like, what does that mean, lipstick slash lip gloss? I thought that it was either one or the other, but hey, I'm just reading the information on Sephora. And then it says the benefits are it's hydrating. So you always want a hydrating lip product. You don't want to be going around with crusty lips. I don't care if summer is ending or not. Crusty lips are no-go. And then ingredient call outs. It says this product is vegan and cruelty free, so that's good. It says what else you need to know. This is a luscious lip gloss and the lipstick hooked up to give you Gloss Bomb's explosive shine in this color packed stick. Its moisture lock formula is packed with caring ingredients to condition, nourish, and keep lips looking plump. So I guess that's where the lipstick slash lip gloss comes in. It's supposed to feel like lip gloss, but it looks like lipstick. So yeah, that's what I got from that. And then as far as price, these are going for $25 a pop. So with that being said, I did not purchase every color. I have gotten to a point in my life where I do not purchase every shade in a lineup anymore because it's just expensive. So I did purchase 5 different shades that I thought that I would like, the ones that I thought would look good on me. Yeah, because hopefully I'll be able to use them very often. All right, so like I said, I did purchase 5 shades. Let's talk about the packaging real quick. It is the normal Fenty Beauty packaging. It doesn't look any different. And you guys, please do not judge my nails. These 2 nails right here, oh my gosh, I was taking off my braids, and like, if you know, braids will cut through your nail. So like, literally these 2 nails, they got cut in the middle, so I had to rip them off the nail bed, and it hurts so bad. Like, I had to give Kinsley a bath that same night, and I was just like, it hurts. But yeah, I had to wear a band-aid and everything, so don't come for me. I'm gonna get my nails done when these 2 grow back because I don't have time. But yeah, packaging is normal. I'm gonna go ahead and open the first one because I'm ready to try them on. And if you're new to my channel, first of all, girl, hey, girl or boy, hey. But second of all, I don't like to use a lip liner when it comes to trying on a new lip product because I feel like it distorts the shade on the lips, and I want to give you guys like a real true visual of what the shade looks like. So here is the first one. I love this solid look. It looks just like a gloss bomb, but it's like solid. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It's really cute. I'm loving it so far. I don't know. And then on the box it says twist like a lipstick, shines like a gloss, conditioning filled, non-sticky formula. So I don't know. I think we should just get right on into it. So the first shade that I'm going to be trying is called Fenty Glow. And oh, before I even get started, you guys, I got this cute little bag because like I said, I did purchase from Ulta. So I guess if you purchased a certain amount of things, you got this cute little Fenty get up right here, and it's a sheer bag, and it comes with like this little, I would say this is like a little makeup bag, or I guess a wallet if you want to put something in there like that. But I think this is cute. I feel like usually the products that you get for free are kind of like, but that's cute. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna move my mirror a little bit closer. So, oh wait, it says twist like a lipstick. So, okay. Okay, so open it like this. And then this is just what we're working with. So cute. I'm gonna go ahead and bring that down a notch, but it has like a little FB on there. So let's go ahead and make sure my lips are. Why am I nervous? This is cute already, I can tell. I might, ooh. I might have to go ahead and get another one. I feel it. I feel like this is just gonna be good. Okay. Too much came off right then. Why did I do it like that? Okay. That was a user error for sure. But yeah. Okay. All right, I had to like turn down my light a little bit because I feel like it was washing out the nude shade, but this is the first shade and the shade is cute. Like I'm actually shook it and I want to use a lip liner so bad with her, but like which shade is this? This one is called Fenty Glow. She's that girl. Like I'm not even gonna lie, she's that girl. I'm actually really feeling, yeah. I actually really like this shade. And y'all, I cannot stop touching my hair because the twist out is twisting. Like, she was cute. Hair's looking thick. Hair's looking curly. I'm gonna have to do a little tutorial on this twist out because it came out good. But back to the lip gloss slash lipstick. These are not overhyped. I haven't seen any chatter about these because, I don't know, I just wanted to be kind of surprised, but I'm surprised I haven't seen these more. But then again, like I said, I haven't been looking. So yeah. Then to take my product off, I'm gonna go in with these. These are my favorite makeup wipes. I always use these for my lip videos. This is not really a shade that I think will stain. So this is not a good test to see if my lips are gonna stain or not. But I am gonna just do a quick swipe and that is what the makeup wipe is looking like. Yeah, this shade didn't stain at all, but I kind of wasn't expecting it to, just because it's not like a stainy type of shade. But it was definitely easy to wipe off. So yeah, that's exciting. And with that being said, I'm ready to move into our next shade. So for the next shade that I'm going to be trying, it is called Riri. And from the box, it looks like a pinky purple shade. I don't know, it could even be mauve. So I don't know, I'm just not really sure what to expect from this one. And now that I'm looking at it, it's definitely giving like a pinky magenta type color. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and just a little bit product up because I don't want what happened last time to happen again. Oh my god. The pigment is so cute on these. Okay, so I'm not even gonna lie. I'm impressed. Like, I love the gloss bombs, and the particular gloss bomb that I love is the Ice Bomb. Like, that is my favorite one. I don't care what nobody says. But these, I feel like, are way better than that. Which is saying a lot because, like I said, I love those. No staining, so it definitely doesn't give, which they never claim to be like a liquid matte lipstick. Typically, liquid matte lipsticks do stain your lips. I mean, the ink is just so deep, I feel like, in the lip. But this right here, I don't really feel like my lips are stained at all. Next shade that I'm going to be trying is called Spice Cold. I have a feeling like it's going to be similar to the first shade that I tried. Yeah, so I'm looking at it and it looks like it's just a little bit deeper. Look how fast like these apply. Like it's literally insane how quick they apply. Like I said, I cannot wait to use these with a lip liner. And more importantly, I think these are gonna be quick to put in the work bag and just like just a quick little swipe, because usually I feel like I have to take my time with my lips, which you should do that anyways. Take your time with your makeup. It always comes out better. But products that you can apply very quickly are always a must-have, always. So I'm really, Rihanna, girl, you knew what you was doing with this one, okay? I don't know who's on your team, who helped you with this. They need a raise. Okay, so I have 2 more shades to try on. Now this next shade is very pink, and I think that this one could have potential to stay in the lips just because it is so, this is very pink, yeah. The container is actually so cute. Like, look how pink that is. I'm actually really feeling it, and I'm not even like into pink like that, but surprisingly, I think it's not like that obnoxious pink. So let's just go ahead and give her a go. Okay. Okay, and I'm not actually sure if I said the name of this one. This one is called Hibiscus. Oh, I had put my hair in my lip product, but yeah, this one is called Hibiscus, and I like it. Like, it's not an obnoxious pink, because pinks are hit or miss with me. I either really like it or really hate it, and I really like this one. Like, she's cute, and I'm really feeling her. On the website, it says that this is a pink rose, and I feel like that is the perfect like name to describe this color, because like I said, it's not too light, it's not too dark, it's like in the middle but on the rise to the dark end, but it has like, I don't know, it just has the perfect shade, almost a blue hint into it, and it's really cute. So I do like this one as well, which I don't know, I'm kind of nervous because like I have 1 more shade left, and I don't know if I'm gonna like it or not because it's really red, and reds can also be hit or miss. So here is my very last shade, you guys. Look at that tube. It is a bright red, almost has like a hint of orange in it. So okay, but it doesn't look like that. Like, the product doesn't come off like that in my opinion. So let's go ahead and swipe. So the MVP is the very last shade I have, and here are my thoughts about this shade. I do feel like I had to apply more product for this one. It was a bit more sheer, and I was really surprised about that. So I'm gonna go ahead and look at the website and see. It is a blue red, which I was thinking that because I have a blue red in Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick called American Doll, and it's a blue red. It looks similar to this. It's just not glossy, it's matte, and I really like that one, and I think I liked it because it is matte. So this one was a bit sheer. Like I said, I applied more product, but still not bad at all. Now let's get into my overall thoughts of the product and just how I feel in general. So $25 is pretty pricey for a lip color. However, from what I feel so far, these feel so good on the lips. I love the colors that I picked. I think I'm gonna look back and see if there are any other shades. They are out of stock on Sephora, but I got mine from Ulta and it seemed like they had plenty. So I'm gonna take a look in there and just see what else they have, because I do like the formula. Like, I'm giving the formula an A+, 9 out of 10. Almost on the cusp, 10 out of 10. I can't give it a 10 out of 10 just because I have not worn this product to work. and that's where I go mostly. So like that's how I kind of judge my products typically, is if they last at work or if I like them. I drink a lot of tea at work, hot herbal tea, and I drink water out of my like hydro jug or my Stanley. So those are big tests for me as well. Just off like looking at this, the MVP, this last shade, I don't think this would last at all. It's, to be honest, it wouldn't stand a chance against my foam cup of hot herbal tea and the water. I can just tell. You know how you can tell like, okay, this product isn't gonna last. I'm gonna reapply it after I'm done with my drink. That's what this is given. But that does not matter because I love the formula. And I don't know, if it came to hit or miss overall with this product, it's 110% a hit. And yeah, I really love them. So you guys need to let me know in the comments below, which shade did you like the best? On top of that, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and please give my video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it if you do. And let me know what you guys also want to see in my next upcoming videos. With that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, you guys.